Stop using AI to write new features. Seriously, if you're just using Cursor or Copilot for autocomplete, you're treating a supercar like a golf cart. The real ROI isn't in writing new code faster. It's in killing the legacy code that keeps you up at night. I've spent years leading engineering teams and wrestling with monolithic codebases that no one dares to touch. In 2026, the gap between a coder and a software engineer is how they handle technical debt. Most devs use AI to add more noise to the system. The elite use it to subtract. Today, I'm showing you the exact framework for using AI assistants to refactor legacy systems without breaking production. We're moving beyond the tab key. I'll show you how to map dependencies, identify risk zones, and systematically delete thousands of lines of technical debt safely. Let's dive in. Most of you are using Copilot or Cursor as a glorified tab key. You think you're 2x more productive because you're shipping features faster. But here is the cold truth. You aren't actually solving problems. You're just accelerating the rate at which you add noise to your codebase. Every AI-generated snippet you blindly accept is just another layer of paint on a crumbling foundation. Now, look at your legacy modules. The black box files. The 2,000-line monsters that no one on the team dares to touch because the last person who tried broke production for 6 hours. That is where your real technical debt lives. And while you're using AI to write new, shiny features, that debt is compounding. As a senior engineer or a tech lead, your value isn't measured by how many lines of code you can generate per hour. It's measured by how much complexity you can remove. If you keep using AI just to write more code, you're not an architect. You're a code generator. And in a world where AI can generate code for free, code generators are the first people to be replaced. The real ROI isn't in the creation, it's in the extraction of technical debt. Here is the shift. Stop treating AI as a ghostwriter. Start treating it as a senior architect who has read every single line of your messy 2014 codebase. The real money and the real career growth isn't in writing a React component faster. It's in dismantling a monolith without causing a P0 outage. Most devs use AI for microproductivity. Autocomplete is microproductivity. It saves you seconds. But refactoring legacy code, that saves you weeks of debugging and months of technical debt. Here is the 3-step framework for AI-driven refactoring. Step 1, mapping the blast radius. Don't just highlight a block of code and ask for a fix. That's a recipe for regression. Use tools like Cursor AI to index your entire repository. Instead of fix this bug, ask, analyze this module. What are the non-obvious side effects if I change the return type of this function? You are using the AI to perform a static analysis that would normally take a human 3 days of digging through Jira tickets. You're identifying the dependencies before you touch a single semicolon. Step 2, building the safety net. The biggest fear in legacy code is the unknown unknown. You change a line in the billing module, and suddenly the email notifications stop working. Never refactor without a baseline. Feed the AI the legacy function and tell it. Generate a comprehensive suite of edge case unit tests that cover every possible failure state of the current implementation. You aren't testing the *new* code yet. You're documenting the *current* behavior. Once those tests pass, you have a safety net. If the AI-generated refactor breaks a test, you didn't break production. You just broke a local file. Step 3, incremental extraction. This is where most people fail. They ask the AI to rewrite this 1,000-line class. Stop. That's how you introduce hallucinations into your core business logic. Use the strangler pattern at a function level. Identify one small, isolated piece of logic. Ask the AI to extract it into a pure, testable function. Verify the tests. Commit. Repeat. Whether you're using Tab9 for enterprise privacy or GitHub Copilot for ecosystem integration, the goal is the same. Move from autocomplete to architectural intelligence. when you can tell your manager, I reduced our cyclomatic complexity by 40% and eliminated 3 legacy bottlenecks using AI-driven refactoring. That's how you move from senior to staff engineer. Now, to actually pull this off, you need a tool that understands your entire codebase, not just the file you're in. This is where Cursor AI shines. Unlike standard autocomplete, Cursor indexes your local files. This lets you ask complex questions about legacy dependencies without manually hunting through 1,000 lines of spaghetti code. I've used this specific workflow to slash refactoring time by 40% while keeping production error rates near 0. Whether you use Cursor, GitHub Copilot, or Tabnine, the secret is leveraging the codebase context, not the ghost text. If you want to stop being a prompt engineer and start being a high-leverage architect, hit that subscribe button. I've dropped links to my favorite AI tools in the description below. Go grab them, and I'll see you in the next one.